Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Windows 11 digital license and that you're signed into your Microsoft account because activation matters later. Next, back up personal files to an external drive or OneDrive and verify a few sample files. This prevents surprises. Once done, create a bootable Windows 11 USB with the Media Creation tool on an 8+ GB stick. Make sure the download finishes and the tool reports success. Now reboot to the USB to begin the reinstall process. If you can boot Windows, mount the ISO and run setup. EXE to do an in-place reinstall. Otherwise, boot from the USB and choose Install, then repair if needed. Crucially, select Keep Personal Files and Apps when prompted. That's the only way to preserve data without manual restores. Follow the prompts. Accept settings, choose the primary Windows partition, and let the installer copy files and restart multiple times. This preserves user profiles and most settings while replacing system files that were corrupted. Once installation completes, sign into your Microsoft account and check activation and Windows update so drivers and patches download. Verify common apps and documents, then update missing drivers through Device Manager or the PC Maker's support site. If something fails, run System File Checker and DISM to repair system files and then reboot. These tools often fix leftover corruptions. If issues persist, boot recovery and repeat the in-place install. Make sure you still choose Keep Personal Files and Apps to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.